How to enable or disable calendar location suggestions on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and we're going to tap on Calendar. So tap on Calendar here and then swipe up to go down. And on the last option, tap on Location Suggestions. Now tap on the toggle button to switch it off, or tap on this to turn it on. And that's it. So once you have turned this feature on, you can open up your calendar, and when you create a new event, if that event is close to a particular location, your calendar will also suggest the location that you can add to the event. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.